see a mosquito, Tyler. I see a mosquito. Oh, I missed. Oh no. I missed. See now. I missed again. I missed. Well, he's gonna bite somebody, and it ain't me. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in my JA in France. JA in my house. Look at this little one behind me. Ow! Huh? He's still playing. Say good morning to the Fizz. Ty, say good morning to the Fizz, about you gonna die.
Good morning, Fizz. Wagwan, Fizz. Wagwanayot.
And as you guys can see, we're getting ready to head out to drop Tyler to school. I'm going to go pick up Sarah right now, feed her, because yes, every morning when I wake up to drop Tyler to school, my routine never changes. So on the mornings that I vlog where Tyler have school, that's the first thing you guys gonna see. Us getting ready to take Tyler out to school and picking up Sarah. Babe, and I couldn't roll out of bed this morning, but of course I know I have to get out because I have to drop Tyler to school, and Tyler cannot be late for school or else he won't go to no school. Do you want that?
No.
Exactly. So babe couldn't get up this morning. Babe said 5 more minutes, and it's 5 more minutes turning to 10, and it's 10 turning to 15, and it's 15 turning to 20. So normally babe would head out already, but he's just headed to the bathroom. So that's what's going on. I'm here fighting with a mosquito all morning and can't catch him. So that's what's going on. I'm going to go pick up my princess.
Mama, you know where it is at?
No, that's okay.
I know where it is.
That's okay, Ty. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Yes, baby. Let me go pick up the princess. That will be okay with you?
This is better for you.
It would be.
Okay, do that.
Okay. So babe just say he'll wait on me to go drop Tyler and come back. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take Sarah out in this morning cold. Hi my baby girl. Hi my baby girl. Hello. Hello. Sleep face. Sleep face. Sleepy facey. Sleepy facey. Watch her. She going for a cat pillow. She love this cat pillow. Tyler pick out this pillow for her before she was born, and she loves it. That's a cat. Ready for you, Bottle? Hi. You're so sweet. Give Mama a kiss. Kissy. Look at the lip. Come on. Oh, say morning. Say hi. 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 Look at your face. You giving you give them kisses. Oh, you're too sweet. All right. Let's go have your bottle. You give them kisses. Yeah, good girl. Bottle time. Hold it. Hold the bottle. There we go. Good girl. So I'm gonna feed this girl And I want to take her in the cold because babe says he won't leave until I get back. So she'll get some fresh air later instead of this morning cold. Because this morning cold ain't no joke. Ty?
Yes.
What's wrong?
I'm so excited because today's the 1st of December.
It is! I completely forget. That's why you scream like that?
Yes.
You are too funny. So what does that mean?
That means I can take out one of my chocolates.
Exactly. I don't think you can reach a calendar where it is, so I'll soon come and take it down for you. Okay?
Okay.
I can't. You're too funny. Okay, it's the 1st of December. So Ty have to look for number 1 on his Christmas Day countdown calendar. You find number 1 already?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to see what's on the number 1.
I think it's big. Just a...
Who you got?
Santa Claus.
You got Santa Claus.
It's a Kinder.
Mm-hmm.
I can...
You open it now?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see what's inside.
Is Santa in there? Turn him around, Trophies. Oh, it doesn't... Yeah. Alright. You gonna give peace to sister? Sarah's here waiting.
Oops.
Look at her.
Kinder.
You sure? Ah?
I'm carrying.
Yes, you are. Good job. Say thank you, brother. Thank you, Tai Tai. So day 1 down of the 25 days to go. Of 25 days. Day 1 down. You excited for Christmas?
This.
Alright, tell me.
1 down.
1 down.
And
24.
20.
23 to go because it's 24 on it.
23 to go.
Alright. Alright. Tell Face bye bye. We're heading out.
Later.
Alright. You want more chocolate? Mmm. 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 Yummy, yummy.
You make me dizzy.
Say morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm gonna fight the cold. Well, it's not that cold.
It's cold this morning.
It's Jamaican cold. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is a new day, and yeah, gotta go to work. This is not a new day. This is a usual day. So
it's still a new day.
oh, say the same things. So
New day, same thing.
I have lots to do. I have to wake up. I have to fight. I have to be motivated. That's the key word.
Tired, like whoa.
Yeah.
You wanna stay
Always
in the
kiss
bed?
the kid before to go.
Always kiss the kid before to go. One is off to school. One is chilling while mama is about to go work out, girl. And can't resist kissing him, pick me.
She's so quiet that I'm afraid that after that she won't be quiet.
Alright, have a good day.
I try.
You try.
Yeah.
You better.
I try to do the paper because
What pay? Oh! And be safe on the road.
I will.
You guys, I'm here having a little yard moment. My washing machine still not fixed as yet. A week later, the man should be coming tomorrow. Hopefully he does. So I'm here having a little scrubs moment because I need to wash. I ain't gonna sit around and wait on him, and hopefully that it's fixed tomorrow. And this mama babe suggests to go to the laundromat. I'm like, no honey, I ain't going to the laundromat to catch no corona in my clothes. crazy to think about it like that, but no, I don't feel like going to no laundromat. So I'm scrubsing. Almost done. I'm almost done on my knees. I'm so silly. So I need to do that. I just finished working out and head straight to it. So I need to do that and catch a shower before Sarah wake up. Finger crossed. I don't think I'm gonna finish before she wake up, but let's see. So that's what I'm up to right now. You guys, while I am here taking a little break from all my business, getting some lunch, I'm just warming some mix up that I have in the fridge. I'm having tuna, a little shrimp, a little beans, and a little bit of rice. Won't hurt, won't hurt. I got a package that I ordered, some stuff that I really need for the Christmas online. So I'm almost Christmas ready. You guys must know that I don't think I am baking this year, because last year I baked so much cake. I think I baked like 6 cakes last year, and I ate almost all of them by myself, and it did a little damage. So since last year Christmas, I had cake still in my freezer. I think I have about 4 slices of Black Forest cake, Christmas cake, in my freezer. So if I don't eat them off by Christmas, then I won't bake, but if I eat them off, then I will bake. So it's a 50-50 chance. I got sorrel, and everything that I ordered is from Tropical Sun. So I got 2 packs of sorrel because it's just really me. Baby's not a big fan of sorrel, but he'll drink a glass or 2. Tyler, not so much, but he'll taste. So I just buy 2 because I'm just drawing enough for Christmas Day. So I got my sorrel. And I also got a pack of instant ginger tea. I love tea, but not every tea I'm a big fan of, but instant ginger can't go wrong. And then I ordered, let me see, I think this is brownie. In Kimmy package I had got 1 brownie, but since Tropical Sun I was ordering some things, I just ordered some more brownie. That way I know that I won't be out of brownie no time soon, and if I'm going to bake, I'm gonna need brownie. So I got brownie. So I think I got 2 bottles of brownie. They package them real nice in this bubble wrap, so you know. Yeah, I got 2 bottles of brownie. So you know me can't out of brownie. Yeah, goodie. And I got a spice bun. Alright, I got a spice bun because Kimmy sent me a tin of cheese. So it's right here. I got my bun to go with it. Yeah, goodie. And we also got 2 cases of ackee because we've been out of ackee for a while, and we got the big tins. And honestly, I've never tried any other brand tin ackee. The only brand I've tried is Tropical Sun, and it's pleasing to me, so I'll stick to it. And Tropical Sun ackee, when you're eating Tropical Sun ackee, you taste like you're eating ackee directly off the tree and not out of a tin. So yeah, Tropical Sun always come through for me. And yes, Tropical Sun ackee is ackee directly from Jamaica, packaged in Jamaica by Jamaicans. So y'all can have all the theory that you want about Tropical Sun. Do your research and see if you really want to support Jamaicans like you say you want to. Tropical Sun might not be a Jamaican company, but they sell a lot of Jamaican products directly from Jamaica, packaged by Jamaica, like the ackee and the callaloo. I know for sure that is directly from Jamaica by Jamaicans, packaged by Jamaicans. Anyway, I'm not going to debate with people about tropical sun. Everybody have their own opinion, but yeah. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. I just love tropical sun products, and I'll forever support tropical sun. So we got two case of big ackee, and each case have 16 in it. So when I'm cooking, I use one of this tin, and it's enough for the entire fam bam. So Christmas almost ready. Christmas nice. So just a few more things I need to order to get my Christmas complete. Yeah, so I get my spice bun goodie. I get my cereal goodie. I get my browning goodie. And goodie get our ginger goodie. See there, Tropical Sun need to make me an ambassador, okay? Tropical Sun, if you're watching right now, you need to make me an ambassador, okay? I can't be buying so much products from y'all. I'm an ambassador, okay? Just putting it out in the universe. Anyway, you guys, go and get some Tropical Sun goodies. They have just about everything over there. Yes? Yes. And if you watch previous vlogs, you'll see Tropical Sun seasoning from me. You'll see Tropical Sun pepper, Tropical Sun lit. Anyway, enough about Tropical Sun, like I'm getting paid to promote these people. Anyway, but when the product good, you just gotta let it be known. Anyway, you guys, so that's all the things that I got. The things I used to do as a kid, I'm letting Tyler enjoy. This ear bubble wrapper in the box today, and Tyler is enjoying jumping up on them. Sarah too. You finished? Yeah. The neighbors must hate me because it's so loud. You guys, I made dinner and didn't show you guys what I made for dinner. So this is dinner for tonight: quinoa and mixed veg and steamed chicken. The chicken, I just seasoned it with powder seasoning, onions, sweet peppers, and steam it for like 45 minutes. I just put it in the pot and let it spring its own water and steam. And I also put browning and a little ketchup and the quinoa and a tin of mixed veg. Yeah, that's dinner.